Hello guys, welcome to my channel Twastramanas.
Informal counseling, its importance and advantages over professional counseling. Introduction. Counseling is an essential aspect of mental and emotional well-being. Traditionally, it is viewed through the lens of professional counseling, where licensed therapists provide structured therapy sessions. However, informal counseling, often overlooked, plays a critical role in everyday life. Informal counseling involves conversations and interactions with friends, family members, colleagues, and community members, providing emotional support and guidance without the formal structure of professional therapy. This form of counseling can be more accessible and impactful for many people. This content delves into the significance of informal counseling, its advantages, and why it should be emphasized alongside, or even more than, professional counseling. Understanding informal counseling. Definition and nature. Informal counseling refers to the spontaneous, unstructured support and advice provided by people within one's social circle. It lacks the formalities of professional counseling but is grounded in empathy, understanding, and personal connection. Unlike professional counselors, informal counselors are not trained therapists but rather individuals who offer a listening ear, advice, and emotional support. Common scenarios of informal counseling. Conversations with friends, sharing concerns over coffee or during a walk. Family discussions, seeking advice from parents, siblings, or extended family members. Peer support at work, discussing work-related stress with colleagues or mentors. Community and social groups, engaging in support within religious, cultural, or hobby groups. Importance of informal counseling. Accessibility. One of the most significant advantages of informal counseling is its accessibility. Unlike professional counseling, which may require appointments, insurance, and fees, informal counseling is readily available within one's immediate environment. It can occur anytime and anywhere, providing immediate support. Relatability and trust. Informal counselors are often people who share similar life experiences and cultural backgrounds, making them more relatable. This relatability fosters trust, which is crucial for individuals to open up about their issues. Trust in these relationships can lead to more honest and revealing conversations, which might not always be the case with professional counselors. Emotional comfort. Interacting with someone familiar can provide emotional comfort that professional settings might lack. Friends and family members understand the context of an individual's life, allowing for more nuanced and empathetic support. This familiarity can make individuals feel safer and more supported. Cost-effective. Informal counseling does not incur any financial cost, making it a viable option for those who cannot afford professional services. The financial barrier is a significant deterrent for many people seeking professional help, and informal counseling fills this gap. Continuous support. Unlike scheduled professional counseling sessions, informal counseling offers continuous support. Individuals can reach out to their informal counselors whenever needed, providing a steady source of emotional support rather than intermittent sessions. Advantages over professional counseling. Natural integration into daily life. Informal counseling integrates seamlessly into daily interactions, making it a natural part of one's life. This integration allows individuals to receive support without the need to set aside specific time and effort, unlike professional counseling, which requires dedicated appointments. Flexibility. Informal counseling offers flexibility in terms of timing, location, and duration. Conversations can happen spontaneously, catering to the immediate emotional needs of individuals. This flexibility is often missing in the structured environment of professional counseling. Cultural sensitivity. People within one's social circle are more likely to understand cultural nuances and specific societal pressures. This cultural sensitivity can make the support more relevant and impactful. Professional counselors, despite their training, might not always grasp these subtleties. Non-clinical environment. The informal setting of such counseling avoids the clinical environment of professional therapy, which can be intimidating or uncomfortable for some individuals. The casual nature of informal counseling helps in reducing the stigma associated with seeking help for mental health issues. Examples of informal counseling impact. 1. Friends supporting each other through breakups. Sarah and Emma have been friends since college. When Sarah went through a difficult breakup, Emma was her primary support. They had long conversations, and Emma helped Sarah process her emotions by listening and sharing her own experiences with breakups. This support was immediate, relatable, and continuous, which Sarah found immensely comforting. 2. Family guidance during career decisions. John was uncertain about his career path after graduating. His father, having navigated similar uncertainties in his youth, offered advice based on his experiences. This informal counseling helped John weigh his options and make an informed decision without the need for a professional career counselor. 3. Peer support in the workplace. At a high-stress job, employees often leaned on each other for support. During lunch breaks, they shared their challenges and provided encouragement. This peer support created a sense of community and reduced individual stress levels, something that professional counseling might not have achieved due to its formal nature. 4. Community support groups. In a local community group, members often shared their personal struggles and triumphs. The group provided a safe space for emotional expression and collective problem solving. This informal counseling was invaluable for members who might not have sought professional help. Integrating informal and professional counseling. While informal counseling has numerous advantages, it does not replace the need for professional help in severe cases. Instead, both forms of counseling can complement each other. Professional counselors can address deep-seated issues and provide clinical interventions, while informal counselors can offer day-to-day emotional support and encouragement. Creating a balanced approach. Encourage open conversations within social circles to foster informal counseling. Promote awareness about the signs when professional help is needed. Use informal counseling to support the therapeutic process initiated by professional counselors. Conclusion. Informal counseling is an invaluable resource for emotional and mental well-being. Its accessibility, relatability, and cost-effectiveness make it an essential part of everyday life. By integrating informal counseling with professional services, individuals can benefit from a comprehensive support system that addresses both immediate and long-term needs. Emphasizing informal counseling can reduce the stigma associated with seeking help, encourage open communication, and ultimately lead to a healthier, more supportive society.
Thank you for your time, and I hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video. It will give me motivation to create more contents like this and to help you help your loved ones. Stay tuned for more.